In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem promo codes in BTD6. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser. And right here, you'll have to search for BTD6 promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called Game Rent. And here you'll see that we have some information about the promo codes and how you can redeem them. So here on this website, you have updated promo codes that are updated daily and monthly, and you can come here every time to see the promo codes. So if you tap right here on this link, you'll see the promo codes that are available right now, which are this one right here. And here are the information about the rewards that you can get. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll have here some information about how you can redeem the promo codes in game. So all you need to do is just select the promo code that you want to use. So for example, if you want to get this promo code and get this rewards in game, you can scroll down a little bit and you can follow these steps right here so that you can redeem the promo code in your account and get the rewards over there. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.